Hi guys, today I'm here with another video, and I'm going to be doing an update video, but the updates came out yesterday, but I didn't have time to do it because it was late, yeah. So there's a new Denko Greatest Hideout in the diamond shop. I think it's 5 diamonds, I'm not sure. There's friendship armor in the diamond shop as well. There's 5 pieces. And there's a friendship party with like all the Valentine's Day stuff. And I think Animal Jam HQ have adopted a panda. This is a video. Click on this. And the new animal is an owl. So they put so there's a video of the owl things, and there's a Maria painting video how to do it. And there's all cards in the box for the new den items, see which one's going to come out first. And I think all of them will come out like they did last time with the Egyptian, the hair salon and the ice cream parlor and that. So yeah, let's have a look. These pink crystals and this heart mate came out today. And this princess chair, the pink chest and the rose table came out yesterday. And this came out yesterday. Let's go to the diamond shop. There we are. Yeah. Here's the den. It's pretty much like the Sky Kingdom. Well, not exactly, but you know, it's got all like the lava and stuff. And then here's the friendship armor, the helmet, the gauntlets, the tailpiece, the amulet, and like the main body piece. And yeah, so this is it for this video really. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded video for long. Because yeah, so yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, bye.